Hello guys, welcome back with a new video on my YouTube channel known as Krish Cat Design. How are you? In today's video, we will cover the second part of sketch module. See illustration on screen. And I want you to take a screenshot of this and begin drafting with me on your computers. Next, select on the front plane that is on left of the screen. Next, pick up a circle at the top of the screen from the toolbar and make a few circles as illustrated in the drawing, as you saw in the video how I make the drawing. Start with the two circles like I did. Specify the dimension of the circle using the Smart Dimension tool. So here's the diameter for the largest circle is 84. And the diameter for the smallest circle is 24. And then make two pairs of concentric circles, one at the top and one at the bottom of the circles we designed before as I do. If your circles are not parallel with each other like mine, then you have to give relation between them. Follow my lead. First select the center points for the two circles and then left click left side of the circle. Then it will ask you to what relation you want to give these circles. So here if we want your circle to be a parallel to each other, then we have to choose horizontal relation among them. As you can see on this video, our circles have become parallel. The distance between the bottom two pairs of circles is 84. The dimension of the first pair of circle are inner diameter of circle is 20 and exterior is 34. And second pair of circle are also identical. Total distance between upper and lower pairs of circle is 90. and by origin the distance from the upper pairs of circle is 48. Then give the same dimension as me, plus you will see these dimension in drawing that you took screenshot at the beginning of the video. Then took the perimeter circle and make the circle on the perimeter of bigger circle and the lower pair of circles on both sides. And one in the middle of the two pairs of circles, as you can see. Afterwards, the distance between the upper pair of circles is 62. And the diameter of that circle which is in the middle of the two pairs of circles is 50. Next, specify the dimension of the circles. The diameter of the circle which is on the perimeter of bigger circle and the lower pairs of circle, that is 24. With the help of trim command, trim the unwanted parts and delete leftover parts of circles. Again take perimeter circle, make circle on upper pairs of circle and one in the middle of that circle. Then specify the dimension of perimeter circles and also for the upper pair of circle. The diameter of perimeter circle on the upper pair of circle is 96. And outer diameter of both pair of circle is 22 and inner is 10. and the diameter of the perimeter circle, which is in the middle of upper pair of circles, is 100. Trim the unwanted parts of the circumferential circle using the power trim command and remove the part that isn't trimmed. Then take a line command and draw a straight line from the top pair of circles to the bottom pair of circles on the either side. Then use trim command to delete the intersected parts of the circle, as you see in the video. So here our drawing completed. I hope you will easily understand these things which I told you in this video. If you have any query regarding this video, so please ask me in comments. I will definitely answer your questions. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay with us to learn new things. I hope you liked this video, so please like and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends.